The BF50 fan is part of SKOV's BlueFan series and can replace traditional box fans as a one-to-one solution. It is a 50-inch box fan and thus fits into the existing holes upon replacement. Likewise, you can often reuse the existing electrical installation and controller. Traditional box fans, made of galvanized metal, require replacements at regular intervals as they are exposed to the harsh environment of the livestock house. In contrast, the BF50 is made of thermoplastic and stainless steel, non-corrosive materials that by far better withstand the harsh environment in a modern livestock house. The BF50, with air-controlled shutters, provides a higher degree of insulation compared to traditional box fans. The shutter is more airtight and the box is better insulated. For optimized climate and animal welfare, you can choose the BF50 with motor-controlled shutters. The motor-controlled versions ensure that the position of the shutter, even at a strong wind, remains in its correct position. It also enables the use of an emergency opening. The shutter is insulated and closes tightly, which protects against condensation and false air intake when the fan is not in operation. You may also consider the possibilities of optimal power savings in the event of a replacement, going from a traditional box fan to a BF50. Together with the dynamic multi-step regulation principle, the BF50 LPC variant can be controlled steplessly from 0 to 100% and provides optimal power savings at a system level. Thus, when replacing traditional box fans with the BF50, the producer acquires a fan with an emphasis on high performance, energy efficiency, intelligent design, long-term durability.